Hi, this is Igor Bourbon, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to build money-making websites with our brand new software, ReddBuilder. Once you're inside your WordPress admin area, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Reddit settings. This is where you'll need to add your account information and keys in order to connect your site to Reddit. Now, in case you've never used Reddit before, anyone can sign up for free, and it's where people from all over the world share interesting content and comment on it. So you'll need to enter your account information here and then click on this link that will open instructions for getting your API keys. It's basically just copying and pasting a couple of fields. I already have them here, so let's keep going. And by the way, everything you need to know about these settings is covered in the training videos here. Okay, so once you've taken care of settings, head over to Manage Campaign and click this big blue button on the top. We're going to set up a new content campaign that will work quietly behind the scenes and automatically add new content posts to your site. Let's give this campaign a name. I'm gonna go with Cool Guides because this is going to be for the education section on our site. People love learning something new or cool, and this type of content gets shared a lot. So let's add a campaign for that. Next we have a Reddit URL, and this is where you paste a link to a Reddit category. They also call it a subreddit. This is going to be a source of our new posts. I spent a few minutes browsing on Reddit and found this subreddit called Cool Guides. So let's use that. Copy the URL and paste it here. Then we need to pick which category on our site these new posts should be added to. I'll stick with education. And of course, you can create more campaigns for any topic or category that you like. And finally, we have post status, and I want my new post to be published right away, so let's leave it as it is. Click Save Campaign and give it a few seconds. And as soon as you do that, the plugin will start pulling all the top content from Cool Guides subreddit and posting them to your site. Let's hit refresh on our demo site and just look at that. In just a couple of minutes, we were able to create a site with some awesome content with your affiliate links inside. And every time somebody comes to your site, clicks on your affiliate link and buys, you earn commission. In addition to that, you can earn from vendor clicks and any affiliate platform. So that's just a quick demo of how the plugin works. There are some other cool features waiting for you, like ability to translate posts to other languages, use a text spinner. You can use a keyword replacer and link any word or a phrase inside your post to your affiliate links, plus many more money-making features. The special launch discount is ending soon, so go ahead and grab your download and start earning with your own money-making website today.